Welcome back to the second video in the series where I'm showcasing another 100 unique styles in MidJourney from 100 to 199. Just like in the first video, I've kept things straightforward, using only a single dot as the prompt, paired with some parameters and a specific style number. This allows the styles to truly stand out, uninfluenced by any descriptive text. MidJourney styles parameters continue to be a game changer, offering over 4 billion possible variations. For this video, each style is, again, identified by a number, this time ranging from 100 to 199. I've come up with some imaginative names for these styles, aiming to give you a quick sense of what each one represents. However, remember, these names are just for fun and don't correlate with the default style keywords. The --AR or aspect ratio is still set to 16:9, ideal for YouTube and for keeping the visual consistent and appealing. I've also used a fixed seed 555, ensuring that any differences you see are purely due to the style changes, not randomness. And if you're curious to see how these styles look without a fixed seed, head over to my YouTube shorts, where I've showcased the same prompt and style numbers without the seed. You can find those in the short section or through the link in the description. Now let's dive into the next 100 styles. All 100 styles explored. If any of these caught your eye, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below with your favorites. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with future videos. Thanks for watching.